Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like bungalow. I better to get peace of loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's all natural Candice here again, and today I'll be doing a makeup video. So just stay tuned. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but yeah, I'm going to be chewing a bubble gum. So bubble gum, yeah, that. So I'm gonna put my ear away quick and fast. So I'm gonna kerchief. I don't know the hairstyle that I'll be doing, but it doesn't make a sense. So guys, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera because that takes up the most time, and come back to see you in. So guys, I'm finished with my brows. They're not twin, they're cousins, are far sisters. So look at them. So guys, now I'll be doing my eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, so I'm going to be doing that. And ting. So I'm going to school. You're going to school? Maybe I'm going to do like one cut crease or something. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to put a brown. I don't know, but like I love this brown from Jovial. This is a mini palette. I pay like maybe $10, $14 for this. I use the darkest shade in this one as my transition color. So guys, I did not set the era, therefore it was creasing, so I added some more concealer and then set it with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, which you will be seeing me doing right now. Yes guys, so always set it or else it's going to crease and it does not look good, trust me. So now I'm going to go in with the same Juvia's color that I showed you right there for both of my eyes. So guys, I'm using another palette as I showed you before, and I'm using this dark green color in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to bring it in. So guys, what happened is I was doing a cut crease and then I didn't like it, so I had to erase all of that, as you will see further down in the video. But remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Get this video 20 likes guys, just 20 likes guys, just 20 likes. Get this video 20 likes. Remember to watch the ads. Send somebody over here who don't know how to do makeup and want to learn. Yes, so that's that. And watch out my other videos if you're new. Like, check out my other videos. I just did vlogmas, so guys, I'm going to be putting this. So guys, I'm going to be using 370 brands in Fit Me, and also this from Shein is She Glam in the shade Caramel Sweet, both of them together. So that's that. What I'm going to finish, guys. What I'm going to do is I will do this part of it. It's giving a little bit of and I put it around the corner of my face. Yes. I just want to shape. I put it on my face and then I just add the fish to it. Right? That's that. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put it to artistic also. So I'm going to leave my little also. Just put it in there. Nah, I wish. Oh my God. So guys, I'm going to be using a brush to blend this out for a better coverage, and I'm going to be spraying my setting spray on it from LA Colors, as you can see I'm doing right there, and you know, just blend out everything smoothly so we can do another step. So guys, it's time to conceal, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso, and in the inner corner of my eyes, you're going to see I'm using a lighter shade. That shade is Toffee, right in the inner corner of my eyes. Well, not the inner corner, but right there. Yes guys, right there. And I stop putting concealer on my forehead because that is very hard to blend, and I don't like how it look anymore. So that's what I do. So now guys, I'm going to let the concealer dry for a bit, because when it dries, when it's almost dry, give a better coverage. So you know, I'm fanning myself and all of that, doing other stuff just to let it dry. It does not need a lot of time to dry, maybe a couple minutes, 5 minutes the most, and then I start blending. So what I do when I'm blending is, because the inner part have a lighter shade, I blend the outer part first. I blend the outer part first so the lighter shade does not come right out. You'll see what I'm talking about as soon as I get up to my eyes, right? So guys, I'm contouring nose and just chatting. I don't know who is talking to me, but I was chatting a lot in this video. So I'm doing this little contour thing that I see on TikTok. I'm getting it though, I'm getting it. And then I'm going to use the same powder around the perimeter of my face. So just stay tuned and wait until the finished look. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch the ads for me. When I run them black, a boy.